Hello, everyone. Today I'm with John Robinson with the Robinson's family of businesses in North Salisbury, and we're checking out their new location. John, can you tell us a little bit about how you started and when?
Oh, our family goes back in the United States 4 generations as far as fixing clocks, watches, and jewelry. Clocks, we go back like 14 generations, but we've been in the United States since 1962 in Baltimore is where my grandfather started, and my parents moved to the Eastern Shore in the early 70s, and we opened up the clock shop here.
Okay, so it's in your blood.
It's in my blood for sure.
All right, and the kids are on board now, is that
My
correct?
kids are definitely, yeah, the kids actually run the show now. So the inmates are running the asylum, as we say.
So you're just the pretty face here that...
I'm the ambassador, that's my official title.
Okay, got it. Range of services that you offer here.
Well, it's kind of weird. People don't understand because we do so much stuff, but essentially we are an old-fashioned jewelry store and we're an old-fashioned print shop. So we do everything jewelry-wise, which includes your clocks, watches, jewelry, and coins. And then on the print end of the business, we do engraving, and that goes with, you know, the part of the clock business and jewelry business, the hand engraving. And we also have machines that do engraving and laser engraving. But we also do all types of printing. I mean, literally any type of printing there is, we do it. From embroidery, which was my wife's family business, to actual screen print.
Tell us about your plans for this space.
Oh, over here is my daughter had a coffee shop in downtown Salisbury, and she kind of outgrew it. So she's going to have a coffee shop here and in the front end of the store. So it's kind of a dream I had when I was a little kid, was to have an actual restaurant type thing in the store itself. But it's gonna be a coffee shop and full bakery, and she'll do sandwiches and all that type of stuff.
Great. And explain to the audience your new location.
We're up north next to, it's the old Gander Mountain next to Harley Davidson. And it's huge. I mean, I can't believe that we would actually have something this big. And I'll tell you real quick, a funny story is, when we moved to Salisbury, we actually lived on the premises here in the Howard Johnsons. And my parents were actually homeless, and we'd live behind it sometimes, and we'd live in the hotel on the weekends. My mom would clean there, and we'd get showers in the morning before we go to school. And now in basically 3 generations, we've gone from being people that lived on this property to actually having a very successful business and being a big part of this community here in Salisbury.
Very good. And the total square footage here?
This is 18,000 square feet. It's huge.
Okay, it is quite an impressive space. We've done business with the Robinsons in the past, always had a great experience. As far as a quick market update, first quarter home sales in Wacomico County, they were down 24% year over year. Not a big surprise with interest rates. And home prices stayed relatively stable. They were up 3% for that period. Of course, all the housing statistics are on our blog at drgsalisbury.com. John, I appreciate your time today.
Thanks for coming in.